We are pleased to show you the 2026 Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power lift gate, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Indulge in luxury and make a statement wherever you go.